New Delhi, the capital city of India, boasts of a rich tradition and sound cultural values. The rich heritage and culture of this city can be seen in the sites and historical places that adorn the city. These include the Lotus Temple. The Lotus Temple is a Baha'i house of worship. The flower-like shaped monument is a prominent attraction in Delhi. The India Gate. The India Gate is a war memorial to 82,000 soldiers of the Indian Army who died in the period of 1914 to 1921 in the First World War and other wars. Red Fort. Red Fort is a historical fort in the city of Delhi. It was the main residence of the emperors of the Mughal dynasty for nearly 200 years. National Rail Museum. This is a museum which focuses on the rail heritage of India. Aksharam Temple is a Hindu spiritual and cultural campus. The complex displays millennia of traditional Hindu and Indian culture, spirituality, and architecture. Jama Masjid. This is one of the largest mosques in India. It was built by Mughal emperor. Other sites include Qutub Minar and Tughlaqabad. Delhi also boasts of interesting and cultural musical festivals like Diwali Festival. This is the Festival of Lights. Sunburn Music Festival. Holy Circus Music Festival. Hollywood Music Project. And Neon Music Festival. These and other historic sites and beautiful music make Delhi an interesting city. Thank you.